So the essential thing was that the client said, I want to have one management standard for different levels. Can you help me? And there was a discussion process, a consulting process, how to achieve that. Then the assessments were designed in common together, and we were executing them. And in the end, the client was very happy because now he has a management standard over all countries. And if there's an exchange, and he's going for an exchange of managers between the country, like delegations, they know exactly what quality of managers they're going to get.
It means many conversations, discussions, listening to them, finding out their problems, their needs, always being there. So trust, real trust. Then I would say the second is, of course, long-term relationship, which is kind of in connection with trust. But again, be always there, serve them in many cases from year to year to week. That's it, long-term partnership, maybe not just relationship.
You have to understand the needs of your clients, always, whether they are internal or external, and then to find solution, to try to help them to answer their needs, basically.
Yeah, for instance, we had a wonderful example with an international client who had the challenge that he wanted to standardize the quality of managers in all his subsidiaries worldwide. So the task was, how can we make sure to have the same standard of managers and measure it in terms of assessment and development centers. So what we did is we consulted the client and recommended a procedure for assessment centers which he implemented worldwide, and we were even conducting these assessment centers. And with this procedure, his problem was solved if he's exchanging managers from country A to country B and vice versa, that he has the same standard of manager quality and following the same classifications.
Well, I would say different places, different tastes, but in a good way.
What I value the most is, I would say, the international approach, that we have the opportunity to share a best practice, to discuss with colleagues from different companies. We don't have to invent everything in our country because some things were already invented, developed in other countries. So this is something what I value the most, I would say.
You always have to respect the culture, the way of thinking, the organizational culture as well. So even though if I have like a bunch, different offices of the same client, we know that there are different people and they have different needs and different expectations. So you can't really handle one client in different countries the same way.
You can be sitting in one office, but even mentally be spending half of your day somewhere abroad together with your colleagues on online workshops, discussions, meetings in different parts of the world. So our company language is English, so no matter what nationality you are, you still spend a substantial part of the day in an English language.
Even though customized approach to our clients requires a certain amount of flexibility and bigger efforts, we are always using a tailor-made approach to our project's implementation because it brings added value to our clients, and it makes us certain that the results achieved within the project are joint efforts of us and our clients as partners.
The client is not just, an anonymous area. The client consists out of many people. So I think it's important to talk to many parties on the client side, to many people on the client side, to have a good understanding and to be able to tailor a solution to the client needs. So what we don't want to do is we don't want to give an off-the-shelf standard solution just to solve any problem in the world, but very much to dedicate our solution to the problem the client really have and offer a real support with impact. That's the most important thing to me.